I get asked a lot about common law marriage. In Oklahoma, there's not really a set amount of time. And you hear about these things where people will be married for so long, or they'll be together for so long, and they think just because they lived with someone for so long, they're considered common law marriage. In Oklahoma, that's not really the case. In Oklahoma, it's more along the lines of whether or not you've held yourself out to the public as being common law married. One of the most common parts of common law marriage is whether or not you filed your taxes together. If you're willing to tell the federal government that you are married to this person, that's evidence of whether or not you're common law married. And there's a lot of evidence that can go back and forth, and one of the reasons that people want to be considered common law married when they're actually getting a divorce or when they're splitting up with someone is if they bought property together. Because if you're just doing a paternity action, which is just dealing with custody and visitation and child support with a child, it won't actually include property that you purchased together. And that can oftentimes be a really important part of splitting up with someone, is dealing with the property. And so if you've held yourself out to the public, if you have evidence of filing taxes together, if you have evidence of telling people that you two are married, that you're husband and wife, these are things that are considered when a court is actually deciding whether or not you're actually common law married.